ration is a simple procedure that has been used for many years. It's the greatest value when only two ingredients are to be mixed. Taking a close look at the square, several numbers are in and around the square. Probably one of the more important numbers is the number that appears in the middle of the square. This number represents the nutritional requirement of an animal for a specific nutrient. It may be a crude protein or TDN, amino acid, mineral or vitamin. Example, we need to balance a ration for 14% protein. Here the soybean meal has 45% crude protein. Soybean 45% crude protein. Corn 10% crude protein. In order to make the square work consistently, there are three very important considerations. The value in the middle of the square must be intermediate between the two values that are used on the left side of the square. For example, the 14% crude protein requirement has to be intermediate between the soybean meal that has 45% crude protein or the corn that has 10% crude protein. If barley is used that has 12% crude protein and corn that has 10% crude protein, the square calculation method will not work because the 14% is outside the range of the value on the left side of the square. Disregard any negative number that are generated on the right side of the square. Be concerned only with the numerical difference between the nutrient requirement and the ingredient nutrient value. Subtract the nutrient value from the nutritional requirement on the diagonal and arrive at numerical value in titled boards. Subtract the unit. Here we subtract to reach 14 from 10. We get 4 parts of soybean meal. Subtracting diagonally, and here we get from 14 from 45 we get 31 parts of the corn, 35 total parts. Always subtract on the diagonal within the square in order to determine to make sure that you didn't have a mathematical error. So also it's very important to work on a uniform basis. Use 100% dry matter basis for nutrient composition of ingredients and requirements, and then convert to an as-feed basis after the formulation is calculated. Corn represents 31 over 35. The total parts are 35. The percentage here from soya. Corn 31 parts of corn divided by 35 multiplied by 100, the ration, or 80%. Soybean meal represents 4 parts divided by 35 multiplied by 100, the ration. The percentage is 11.43. Check of the calculation. Here the corn, here the soya, and the calculation is 14%. Using more than 2 ingredients, it's possible to mix more than 2 ingredients using the person square. For example, to prepare a 15% crude protein mixture that consists of supplement of 60% soybean meal, 45% crude protein, and 40% corn gluten meal. Supplement mixture here 15%, here supplement mixture, grain mixture, here 5%, here 5 parts, here 30 parts, and we complete the